Today I'm reviewing this free sample by Jugbow, and it's an electric training collar. It is important that you read all the instructions because you can hurt your dog if you don't read all the instructions. I want to start by saying that this is how it looks, and this is the collar. So you want to make sure you put it on, and you can snuggle one finger between this and the skin of your pet, so you can do a vibration, a static electricity, or something like that. And this is basically for training, giving him commands, and whenever he doesn't obey or is acting out of out of the out of line, then you can press here for the shock. It also comes with different parts that are replaceable. So if by any chance it stops working, you can fix it. But all of that is in the instructions. Thank you for watching.